How to download CapCut Pro version in Android. The safest and most reliable way is to subscribing to the Pro version within the application itself. So for that, you have to launch the CapCut application in your mobile device, or if you don't have the application, you can install that from the Google Play Store. Open up Google Play Store, tap in the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, search for CapCut application. If you already have it, you can open it up and make sure the application is up to date. So update the application. After the update is complete, then you can open up the CapCut application in your mobile device. Open up the application, and if you are not already logged into your account, that will ask you to log into your account. So simply log into your account by providing your login credentials. After you're logged in, once you're on this edit page, if you navigate at the top right, there you will have the Pro section. Tap on Pro button. Then you'll be taken into this page that says Join CapCut Pro, which will unlock all the Pro features and materials. So from here you have to choose your plan. There you have monthly plan, yearly plan, 1 year or 1 month. So you can choose any one from here according to your preferences. After that, you have to follow some on-screen subscription steps instructions and then make the payment by adding the suitable payment methods according to your preference. After that, you can use the CapCut Pro features. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.